It's another electrifying day at EV Equity Edge, and today we're zoning on NIO. With its sights set on the $15 mark, NIO's performance has us all on the edge of our seats. We'll break down the day's price action, latest news, and chart the course for NIO's path ahead. Are you ready to plug into the world of NIO? Let's jump right into the price action and analyze the metrics for the stock. NIO opened at $10.58 and closed at $10.64, marking a positive daily change of 2.11%. The stock reached a daily high of $11.10 and a daily low of $10.58, showing a range of 4.91%. The average volume was 61,925,817 shares, while the daily volume reached 51,786,921 shares. Now, let's delve into the price action. The stock opened slightly higher than the previous day's close, indicating some early bullish sentiment. Throughout the day, NIO experienced upward momentum, reaching a daily high of $11.10. This indicates strong buying interest and potential bullish momentum. The positive daily change of 2.11% is noteworthy, as it demonstrates an upward movement in the stock price. This indicates that investors are showing confidence in NIO's prospects and could signal further price appreciation in the near term. It's important to consider the resistance and support levels from the previous day. The stock broke through the first level of resistance at $10.74, indicating potential strength in the stock's upward momentum. However, it fell short of the second and third resistance levels at $11.07 and $11.30, respectively. On the support side, the stock remained above the first support level at $10.18, which is a positive sign. It indicates that there is buying interest at these levels and investors are willing to support the stock's price. Overall, today's price action suggests a bullish sentiment, with the stock showing upward momentum and positive price change. However, it's important to closely monitor how the stock reacts to the resistance levels in the coming days, as they may provide some resistance to further price appreciation. In tomorrow's highly anticipated Power Day event, NIO will reveal exciting updates about its Power Up layout plan and products. Last year, NIO surprised us with its 500 kilowatts ultra-fast charger and hinted at the third-generation battery swap station. But this time, the buzz is all about their new 150 kilowatt-hour semi-solid-state battery pack. CEO William Li had already announced its July release, boasting an impressive range of 930 kilometers, 578 miles, for NIO's ES6 SUV with this battery. The excitement doesn't stop there. NIO has already updated the owner's manual, giving us strong indications that the long-awaited 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack will finally be unveiled at the event. With a weight of 575 kilograms, it's 3.6% heavier than the 100 kilowatt-hour pack. Now let's talk about NIO stock's performance this year. It's been a bit lackluster, with a modest 11% increase year-to-date. However, when compared to the S&P 500's 19% return and the Nasdaq 100's impressive 45% return, NIO's growth seems relatively underwhelming. But don't lose hope just yet. NIO has been making moves to turn things around. Last month, despite some delivery setbacks, they still managed to deliver 10,707 vehicles. Although this was down 17% year-over-year, NIO remains focused on ramping up production and expanding their offerings, including the recent launch of the ET5 Touring and increased production of the ES8 flagship SUV. Shareholders are eagerly awaiting positive growth signals. Speaking of growth, a new investor, CYVN Investments, has stepped in to boost NIO's prospects. With a substantial $738.5 million investment, CYVN now owns a 7% stake in NIO. This strategic move, coupled with CYVN's promise to retain the position for at least 6 months, is raising hopes among investors for a brighter future. With all this exciting news and the Power Day just around the corner, NIO stock enthusiasts can't help but wonder, will NIO's new battery pack propel the stock to new heights? How will investors react to the company's plans and announcements? Keep your eyes peeled for the latest updates as we eagerly anticipate the event. Looking ahead, we have some key levels to keep an eye on. The upcoming resistance levels for NIO are at $10.97, $11.29, and $11.49. These levels can act as potential barriers for the stock's upward movement. If NIO's price manages to break through and hold above the first resistance level at $10.97, it could set the stage for a potential push towards the next resistance level at $11.29. And if the stock can surpass that level as well, it may even have a shot at reaching the highest resistance level of $11.49. Keep a close watch on how NIO behaves around these levels, as it could indicate the stock's strength and momentum. On the flip side, we have the upcoming support levels at $10.45, $10.25, and $9.93. These levels may provide a cushion for NIO's price in case of a downward pull. If the stock experiences a decline, these support levels can serve as potential areas where buying interest may emerge, preventing further downside. It will be crucial to monitor whether NIO's price bounces off these support levels, indicating a potential recovery, or if it breaks through them, signaling further weakness. As always, it's important to consider other factors such as overall market conditions, news developments, and investor sentiment when analyzing how the stock price might react to these upcoming resistance and support levels. Keep an eye out for any significant developments that could potentially impact NIO's trajectory. And that brings us to the end of today's NIO rundown, with the $15 mark in sight. If you enjoyed our take, like this video and make sure to subscribe. Have thoughts on NIO's target? Comment below. Don't forget, we also have insights on Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, and Mullen to charge up your portfolio. Until next time, stay plugged in.